good evening folks. We've moved on from Salamanca. We are now at the lake just outside Nisa. To me, this is one of the best places in Portugal. And it's like a piece of paradise. We're here tonight and we're the only ones here again. So we've got all this for our grandchildren and Carol and I. So yeah, we'll give you a bit of a walk around, but we've got a bit of bad news. It looks like to me, bear with me, I'll try and get this gimbal a bit better so we can get both of us in it. Yeah, there we go. It looks to me like the council is going to start charging to use the airs up the top of the road, which is going to be a shame. I don't mind paying, don't get me wrong, but it's been free for such a long time and it became very popular in the last few months, well, last few years I should say, and it's never been the cleanest airs, but to start charging for it, I think that's a bit naughty, especially when it's been paid for by the EU. But that's up to the council. It looks like going to be electric up there and everything. So don't get me wrong. I don't mind paying. I will pay for something that's worth the money. And this is worth the money. But if they're going to start charging to stop up at the airs at the top, are they going to ban motorhomes and campers coming down to the lake shore? That's where the problem might come to.
Can I just say, I'm not drunk, honest, it's an uneven ground.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, well the grandkids didn't want to come out with us. They want to just walk around by the edge of the water at the bottom. But yeah, we've had a good holiday, a few days up to now. Fuel, like the UK, is a bit pricey. The cheapest place we've found up to now is in a supermarket in Salamanca, and that's still 1.82 a litre, so that's not too bad. My advice to anyone who's coming away, when you see it cheap, fill up, because you never know. In France we noticed it went from 1.99 to, what was it, 2.58?
Yeah.
In a matter of 2 or 3 garages. Uh-oh, it looks like the grandkids are following us.
There's trouble.
So yeah, it looks like we're going to have to walk back to the camper now because it's all been left on its own open.
No, I'll close the door.
Alright then. Alright, I'll cut that bit out. Okay, so we're just walking along a bit of the lake. It's beautiful and warm to swim in. I've been in there once today. The grandkids have been in there. We was hoping to stop here for a couple of weeks, but because the airs is shut and we've got nowhere to empty the grey water in the toilet, we're going to be stuffed. We're clever enough to fill up with water before we came, so we've got about 135 litres of water plus some in the shower bags to test out. So let me show you a bit more of the lake. Do you want to hold on to that for us, Carol? Here we go.
I got a stick. It's massive.
It's clean.
I don't know, can I zoom in with it?
Man, do you like my stick? It's massive.
I don't know if you can see it. Oh, yeah, we go. As long as my hands ain't too shaky. Yeah, there's a crane. Over the past few years we've seen everything from osprey here pulling the fish out of the lake. Certain times of the day you'll actually see the fish jumping as well. The most exciting part is the fire planes. We've got a few videos. I'll see if I can find one and add it to this, where they've actually come in and landed on the lake to pick up the water to take to the fires. So yeah, like I say, this is the closest to paradise I think we can find. I just hope like I say, they're going to start moving people on, which will be a shame if they do. But yeah, alright, we'll get the drone up so you can see where we're parked and how we all are. So yeah, we'll come back to it in a moment. Oh, a bit slow there. There was a heron coming over water. Up the top there's a bit of a bar, or used to be, and there's a load of storks nesting in the what's the name of the trees? Eucalyptus trees, yeah.
Can I hold the viewers?
What's that?
Can I hold the viewers?
You want to what?
I want to hold the viewers.
You want to what it?
Hold up.
No, I'll hold it, sweetheart.
We're almost there to the...
Well, my granddaughter wants me to show you the fairy house. There's a few of these been built, some of them out of timber.
Some out of stone and sticks and sand.
What is it, Bella?
It looks like an Eiffel Tower.
What tower?
Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel Tower?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's big.
Yeah.
Big. Good.
Be careful you don't knock it over.
I'm going to the teeniest rock.
Yeah, got some very, very little stones right at the top, look. Put your thumb next to them, Bella, so you can show you the size. Yeah, somebody had a lot of patience there, unless they've glued it.
Looks like it.
Alright, well, we're just going to show you some timber fairy houses.
We saw even more next to our camper.
Yeah, that's right, there is, isn't there?
It's near the water, there's this rock, and someone even made a house with sand and sticks.
Really?
Yeah, with rocks on the top.
Wow.
It's actually made out of it's actually shaped of a castle.
Really? Well, you're going to show us where it is?
Okay. It looks like a house.
Well, we'll turn you back on when we get to the fairy houses. Yes?
It's literally over behind our camper.
Well, this is where we've parked. As you can see, it's we've got the whole thing to ourselves. A few people are leaving now.
You can climb.
Couldn't get the legs down
When you're almost
because
there,
the ground is
you can see their house.
too uneven. The legs went to their maximum and couldn't go any further.
I will be waiting at the fairy house.
Okay.
And the view is very good. Some people on a fractured island someone made.
Wow.
They tried.
Oh, that's really cool, isn't it?
They even planted a little bit of
Yes.
greenery. Ooh, look how good they did the trees. They did the trees nice too. They look like real trees.
Whoops. Mind out of the way then, Bella, so I can show everybody what there is here.
Hey, Grandad, if you look over there, yeah? There's some people over there stranded on an island.
The little round things, yeah? Are they people, are they?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
The
Chimney, look.
And the castle.
Is that it? Yeah.
Technically no, but...
Oh, practically no. Okay. Oh, there's a couple in the water.
These could be submarines.
Come on then, let's have a walk around this way.
There could be submarines.
Mm-hmm.
These people were... Hey, look, it's a rock inside the heart.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, sun's setting behind the trees.
Beautiful. Like always. I'm allowed to walk in the water because I have flip-flops on now, don't I? You can see the beautiful moon.
Yes, the moon's up there in the sky.
It's lucky it isn't a full moon.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, it's a full moon. The wolves might come.
Oh dear.
You know wolves over here.
That's right. Well, just down that way is you got the dam
And we see
to the right. To the left, you've got the hydro plant.
And over there, you can see a nice house.
That's right. There's a nice house up there.
With a massive tree.
Yes, I don't think anyone lives there, sweetheart, though.
Yeah,
Well, they helped them.
shame.
All the years we've been coming, there's never been anyone living there.
Yeah. Otherwise, they would be helping us right now. And they would be asking, can I help you film the film? Hey, this is how they made the tree, I think.
Yes, come on then.
They probably was...
So, this is our park up for the night, hopefully for the next week.
Can I show you something? As you come over here, a little den.
Oh, yes.
There's a nice big space.
That's right. Come on then.
There's barn or camper.
Mhm. We usually park just over there,
But there was
right next to the lake, but
And there was people there though.
it is very uneven over there. So
There's
even
coal.
worse than what it is here.
There's coal.
Yeah, someone's had a fire.
I guess some people could camp here.
Mm. Well, as you can see, the ground's not quite level. We'll got to tidy up because there's no camping here, so you have to put everything away at night.
These rocks are so fragile.
Okay,
You can do
that's it for now. We'll let you know how the week goes on. Catch you later, folks.
I slipped.